Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve the problem Killjoy from Codeforces round 671. In this problem we have given that Killjoy is an account on the Codeforce and Killjoy is infected with the virus COVID-2069, right? And Killjoy has a Codeforces rating as X. Other than Killjoy's account, there are n more accounts and we have initial rating of all the n accounts, right? Any uninfected account can get infected by the infected account if the rating of the infected account and uninfected account is same, right? And as we know, the Codeforces conducts contests regularly, so in every contest all the accounts rating can be increased or decreased, right? But the thing is that sum of all the changes of the rating of all the accounts has to be zero, right? Sum of all the changes has to be zero. So we have to find the minimum number of contests required to make all the an account as an infected account, right? So let's take a case. Let's say uh, we have x is equal to 5, right? We have x is equal to 5 and we have 3 more accounts and all the 3 accounts has rating as a 5. Then this case we there is no need to conduct any contest because they all are already infected because all the ratings are as equal to x, right? So there is zero contest required in such cases when all the account has the same rating as x, right? So let's take another case. Let's say we have x is equal to 5 and rating as a let's say 3, 4, 8, right? So if we want to make this 3 as a 5, we have to increase its rating by 2, right? If we want to make this account as infected, we have to increase its rating by 1, and if we want to make this account as infected, we have to decrease its rating by 3, right? So the condition that is given in the question, that sum of all the changes that will made of with rating in all account has to be equal to 0. So in this case we have sum of changes is 0, right? 2 plus 1 minus 3, that is 0. So in such cases we only have to conduct one contest, and in one contest we can make all the account as infected account, right? So there is only one contest required. Okay, so there is, let's take one more case. As let's say x is equal to 5, we have 3, 4, and one of that account is has rating as a 5, that means it has rating as a x, right? So in this case also we only have to conduct one contest, right? So let's say how before conducting any contest, this account is already infected, right? So okay, and if we want to infect this account, then we have to change its rating by 2, right? We have to increase we have to infect this account, then we have to increase its rating by 1, right? So but in this case, if we increase its rating by 2 and if we increase its rating by 1, then our sum doesn't get as 0, right? So what we will do is that we will decrease its rating by 2 plus 1, 3, right? So that the summation of all the changes is equal to 0, and this is already infected, and we will make this or this both account as a 5, and we will make both account as infected, right? So in one move, in one contest, we have make all account as infected. So this is the case, this is both case, we can achieve the all account as infected in one contest, right? And let's say we have any other case, let's say we have x is equal to 5 and we have any 3, let's say we have 10, 15 and 20, right? So we have any random rating, right? So to make this account infected, we have to decrease its rating by 5. To make this account as infected, we have to decrease its rating by 10. And to make this account as infected, we have to decrease its rating by 15, right? But in this case, sum of sum of all the changes in the rating is not equal to 0, right? So what we will do is that we decrease this rating by -5, right? We decrease this rating by -10, so we get infected account, and this account is also gets infected, right? But to compensate this, we will increase this account rating by 15 to compensate this, right? So what will we get here? 20 plus 10, 30, 35, right? So in one contest we have we achieve this rating. So in one contest we have infected these two accounts, right? So now we left with this account. What we have to do is that we we want 5 as this rating, so we will decrease its rating so that we will get 5 as our account, 5 as our final rating, and according to this we will compensate, we will change this both accounts rating to compensate the changes here, right? So in another contest we use one more contest to get all our account as infected, right? So other than these 3 cases, if we get any cases, then we can infect all account in 2 modes, right? In 2 contests we can get our all the account as a infected account, right? So this is the solution of problem Killjoy, right? So, and yeah, code is in the description. Okay, thank you.